Hey, welcome back to Taking Trades. My name is Jimmy and this channel is dedicated to everything day trading. Today is March 21st, 2019. It's a green day. I'm super excited about that. I took 2 trades on Facebook and I want to walk through those with you today. I want to talk about my entry and my exit and also why I was watching Facebook this morning, why I thought it was setting up for a move higher. So let's jump into that. Let me know if you guys were red today, if you were green. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content, give me that thumbs up. Thanks so much. Let's jump into it. Okay, let's jump into this. So I've got Facebook up on a 5-minute chart, and I just want to walk through what I was seeing this morning and why Facebook grabbed my attention and ultimately why I took an entry and where I took an entry. So today I was kind of watching, as you can see, Facebook has kind of been moving on its way up, and I was watching this level right here, this blue line, and you can see it had a pullback and then it pushed up through that line, and so it made me feel bullish or long biased on it because of that. And this is the close of yesterday. I have the pre-market and the after hours turned off, so this is yesterday and this is today. So I was watching it yesterday as it moved up, and as long as the price action sort of stayed in this area and didn't come back down below, this level in here where it kind of started this push, I was then feeling long bias. So I marked it with an arrow. I told myself, okay, we're long bias today. Let's watch for a good entry. So this morning when it opened up, I was thinking I was going to get an entry right away, but it gapped down and opened here. So then I just decided to kind of watch it, and you can see it came down and set this lower low, came back up, set this lower high from this point, came down here, but didn't really set a lower low, sort of just ranged, sort of just sat there. So what I decided to do was to look for a long position I could take somewhere in and around this area, because it's sort of demonstrating a point where people are buying it, around here and around here. So what I'm going to do now is just flip over here, and I've got a 2-minute chart set up, and what I want to do now is show you my trades so that you can see where I entered on these. Okay, so what I did, so for the first trade, let's go through this. So you can see Facebook had set on the 2-minute chart, we had this high, then it set a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then it didn't set a lower low. So it sort of was stalling right here. And then it pushed back up and set a higher high and a higher low. And so I decided to jump in, and actually had an issue with my Thinkorswim platform and had to log out and log back in real quick. I watched this candle open up and close, and I wanted, on this open, if it started moving green, I was going to jump in, but had to do the log out and log in. So I ended up getting in a bad entry on this. I got in at 164.74 right here with 500 shares. And my goal was to try to hang around. I'm working on being patient with letting my winners run a little bit. And I had my eyes set sort of, up here at the high of day. If things went really well there and I took partial position, then I'd be looking to maybe come back up to this line up here. So as I was watching it, it broke up. I was profitable right away, so I was really excited about that. And it started to push, kept pushing, and then I went ahead and cut 300 shares at 165.01. So that would be 27 cents. And then we had a pullback. And on this candle, when it pushed back up, I took another 100 right here, actually. We got this spike up. And that was sort of looking like we were near the high of day, and I didn't want to be too greedy with it, so I took 100 shares there. Then we dropped back down, and it was just sort of hanging around and not doing much, and then it rose one last time. And so I went ahead and cut the final 100 shares and flattened my position. So that was the first trade. And as you can see, if I'd have left 100 shares on and just watched it, I would have gotten all the way up to this target. So My mistake there. Then it went ahead and rolled over, set this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we set a, let's see, higher high, higher low, and this higher low, I kind of liked the way that was looking, the way things were pausing, so I went ahead and I jumped in 500 shares long and rode this candle up and then cut my full position at 164.61, so another 19 cents there, but ended up closing the day out green 228 today, so I was really happy about that. And Facebook just had a lot of really nice price action that made this all possible. So as of right now, where we are in the market, I'm still long biased because we're still staying above sort of where all this began. And I'm going to keep watching it today and tonight and then see where we are in the pre-market tomorrow and make some decisions from there. But we may, if we get another wandering down, I might watch for a rollover long and take it long again tomorrow if I get the opportunity. But anyway, hope you guys are green. Let me know how you did. If you have any questions about my trades, go ahead and put it in the comments section. I welcome that. And thanks for stopping in. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Thank you guys.